So today I'm at Quartz Ridge Trail in the Phoenix Mountain Preserve. And I am extra thankful to be hiking right now because I have spent the whole weekend cleaning my house. I hate cleaning. I would rather do pretty much anything else besides clean. But my parents are coming to visit this weekend. Haven't seen them in 10 months. Really excited to see them. And I want to get my house nice and clean in hopes that they think that's how it always looks. But they probably know better by now. So my house is looking good. And it's Sunday evening. I can finally hike. I told myself that I cannot hike until the house is clean. So that has been the carrot dangling at the end of the stick for me to clean my house. And now it's looking good. So here I am, and just a quick little sunset hike. I was gonna hike up Yetzwa today, but it's the end of October and it's 95 degrees. So I decided to save that hike for a cooler day. Nice little bench there. That looks like a perfect place to sit and have a Snickers. So that's what I'm gonna do. And it says, in memory of John Colby, who hiked these trails from those of us who were with him. That's nice. So I just got done eating my Snickers bar. And when I reached in to grab it in my fanny pack, I was like, what's this? Is this like a tube of lotion I brought or something? But no, it's just my melted Snickers bar. I didn't realize, I guess, foolishly, that it would melt so quickly in my fanny pack while I was hiking. So I just ate a melted Snickers bar. It still tasted pretty good. All right, so this is the end of the trail I'm doing. As you can see, there's lots of branches where you can just keep going and going and going as long as you want. But unfortunately, I need to be heading home and then get back to reality with work tomorrow. So I'll be heading back. Should be heading back during a sunset. So I bet there'll be lots of nice video of that. Really nice trail. I definitely do it again. I kind of want to explore back in here better. This is really nice because since there's mountains all around, it's super quiet. Everywhere you look, it's mountains. And I love that. I want that house. That is really cool. So many quail. Look at them all. How cute are they? They're so cute. You hear them? I love these quail. Whoa! There they go. I'd say that if you're a hiker in Phoenix and you're worried about getting lost, I would start out at the Phoenix Mountain Preserve. You're right in the middle of the city, so you're never really that far from civilization, and the trails are really well marked. It'd be awfully hard to get lost in this preserve. I'd say if you're worried about getting lost, I would stay away from the Superstitions, White Tank, the Spur Cross Park. Now those parks you can definitely get off trail and wander around lost. And I have gotten lost in the Superstitions before. That's not a fun feeling. But it's hard to get lost here. This would be definitely a good starter hike area. Really easy trail. Well marked. Just some loose rocks to navigate, but that's it. It's a Sunday evening and I've seen probably 10, 15 people. So I feel like if you get hurt, someone would come along at some point. So that's always reassuring. I like to check out this house. I call it the Tony Stark house. It's like built into the mountain. Crazy. It's almost over. It was a really nice hike. Pretty good views. Had some nice elevation change. Not too hard. A lot of loose rock. A lot more people than what I prefer. When I hike, I don't want to see anybody for like the whole 3 hours or so. I want to pretend that I'm alone. This hike definitely does not give you that. But it's not overly crowded like some of the other ones. Be a really good beginner hike if you're new to the area. Had some nice views. Cooled down toward the end. Sunset always is nice. I don't know, what do you think? Do you like to see the city in the background from hiking? It's kind of pretty in its own way.